After I discovered this recipe, I only make sweet potatoes like this, delicious and super easy. To start our recipe, I will start by putting in a pan with water, 2 sweet potatoes cut into pieces this way. It has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I don't stop making it. Then I will cook for 20 minutes. Once this is done, I will now peel the cooked sweet potato pieces, like this. You can cook them after peeling, but I guarantee you that if you cook first, it will be much easier when you are peeling. Looks just like the peel comes out easily. This simply amazing and delicious recipe, make in your home for your family, and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will put 1.5 cups of sugar in a pan to melt. I will constantly stir with the help of a spatula to facilitate this melting process and also not to burn. Next I will add 1/2 cup of water gradually in the pan. I will add and stir a little. I will repeat this process a few times. This recipe is amazing. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Then I will add the sweet potatoes in the pan on top of the melted sugar, this way. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe so delicious that it gets. I'll let it cook for 5 minutes. After time, I will turn them in the pot with the help of 2 forks. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Susan Wallace of England. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Tell me if you have any recipe with sweet potato, I would love to know. Finally, I will cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. To finish, leave more beautiful and delicious our recipe. I'll put a little syrup left in the pan over the potatoes. Is a perfect recipe. It's quick, easy, goes very few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it at home either. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.